Role of CRISC in Cloud Security and Risk Management. The CRISC certification is designed for IT professionals who have experience in identifying and managing IT and business risks. When it comes to cloud security, CRISC professionals are equipped with the knowledge and skills to assess and mitigate risks associated with cloud computing. Benefits of CRISC in cloud security: enhanced risk assessment and management capabilities, improved compliance with industry regulations and standards, increased awareness of emerging cloud security threats, better alignment of cloud security initiatives with business objectives, enhanced decision-making processes related to cloud security. Importance of CRISC in cloud security. The importance of CRISC in cloud security cannot be overstated. With the ever-evolving threat landscape and the increasing complexity of cloud environments, organizations need skilled professionals who can effectively manage risks and secure their cloud infrastructure. CRISC certification demonstrates a professional's expertise in risk management and positions them as a valuable asset in safeguarding critical data and systems. CRISC Cloud Security Certification. CRISC certification in cloud security signifies that a professional has the knowledge and skills to assess, mitigate, and manage risks in cloud environments. By earning this certification, individuals demonstrate their commitment to excellence in cloud security and risk management, making them stand out in a competitive job market. In conclusion, the role of CRISC in cloud security and risk management is essential for organizations looking to protect their valuable assets in the digital landscape.